morning children. How are you all? I hope you are safe at home. Yes? Yeah. In the previous class we discussed about division and terms used in division, right? From part 2. Today I am going to take part 2. From part 1 we discussed about division and terms used in division. Yeah. Today I am going to take part 2 of division. Okay children? So today I am going to solve our textbook problems children. Everyone take your class works and note down. Okay. First I am going to take division of a 3-digit number by 2-digit. Take your class works all of you and textbook also. Open page number 130. Page number 130. Exercise number 4.2. Okay. A bit. I want to take some divisions. 875 divided by 24. 875 divided by 24. So how to solve this long division? We will see. First, long division means we have to write the problem in this way. 875. Okay. The bigger number inside we have to write, outside we have to write the smaller number. So this is, what is this? This is divisor. 24 is the divisor and 875 is the dividend. Bigger number is always dividend. Smaller number is divisor. The answer is quotient. Okay, we will find out the quotient. Here how much we will get, we will see. Now first better write down the 24 table. Here write down 24 table. 24 ones are 24. 24 twos are 48. 24 threes are 72. Nothing but multiplication only. Again, if you don't know, take again multiplication. 24 into 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, 72. So 24 3s are 72. Now next, 24 4s are, how much? 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 96. You have to take multiplication again. 24 5s are, 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 120. Yes children? Yes. Next, okay, we will see. So first 24. How many digits I have to take here? First, shall I take one digit? No. 8 is smaller than 24. So 24 will not divide 8. So we have to take the next digit also into consideration. That means 87. Now take 2 digits into consideration. This becomes 87. 87 is greater than 24. So 24 divides 87. So how many times we will see? Yeah, 87 will you get in 24 table children? Directly will you get? No. So what we have to do? We have to take nearest and smallest number, 87. So here nearest and smallest number is 72. 24 3s are 72. 24 4s are 96. We can't write because 96 is greater than 87. So we have to take the nearest number and smallest number, that is 72. How many times? 24 3s are 72. So up write down 3. Down write down how much? 72. 24 3s are 72 into mark. 24 into 3 how much? 24 3s are 72. So 24 3s are 72. Okay, 7 minus 2. Now subtraction. We have to take the subtraction. Put minus symbol and take subtraction. 7 minus 2 how much children? Very good, 5. 8 minus 7 how much? 1. Now this is 15. Children tell me, will 24 divide 15? No, because 15 is smaller than 24. So 24 will not divide 15. Then what we have to do? Next step what we have to do? Yes, take next digit, that is 5. Bring down 5. Okay. Now it is 155. Will you get 155 in 24 table? We will write 24 5s are 120. 24 6s are how much? You have any doubt, you can check here. Again take a simple multiplication. 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 144. 24 7s are 24, 7s are 7, 4s are 28, 7 2s are 12, 12 plus 2. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 168. Okay, 24 6 are 144, 24 7 are 168. But I have here 155. What number I have to write? 144 or 168? Yes, 144 because 168 we can't write, it is biggest number. So write the nearest and smallest number, that is 144. So 24 6. How many times? 24 6 are 144. Okay, now take subtraction. 5 minus 4, how much children? 1. Very good. 5 minus 4, how much children? 1. Now here after 5 we don't have digits. So 11 is the remainder, which is smaller than 24. We know that the remainder is always less than the divisor. So smaller number, 24 will not divide smaller number. So 11 is the remainder. R means remainder. What is the quotient? 36 is the quotient. Q means quotient. Therefore, write down Q is equal to 36. Remainder R is equal to 11. So, now write down the answer. What is the quotient? How much? 36. Have you understood, children? Please note it down. Yes. Next, I want to take another example. Yes, next second example. Yes, from textbook. B problem I am taking now. How much? 741 divided by 54. So what is the answer? We will find out. Take 54 outside, 741 inside. Long division I am taking now. So first what we have to do? Write on the 54 table. So better write down everyone. 54 ones are 54. 54 twos are how much? 2 fours are 8. 2 5s are 10. 108. 54 twos are 108. Next, 54 threes are 4 threes are 12. 3 5s are 50 plus 1 16. 162. We will see first. So how many digits I have to take into consideration here? Shall I take 7 into consideration? No, 7 is smaller than 54. So 54 will not divide 7. So we have to take 2 digits into consideration. That is 74. So 74. How many times, children? 74 will you get in 54 table? No. 54 ones are 54. 54 twos are 108. We can't write 108. We have to take one time, that is 54 ones are 54. Subtraction. 4 minus 4 is 0. 7 minus 5 how much? Very good, 2. Now it is 20. Will 54 divide 20, children? No, because 20 is smaller than 54. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to bring down the next digit, that is how much here? What is the next digit? 1. So bring down 1. Now it is 201. In 54 table, do you get 200, children? Yes, we will write, children. Yes. 54 4s are 54 3s are 162. 54 4s are how much? 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 21. 216. But we have 201 here. 54 4s are 216 is bigger than 201, so we can't write. So we have to write the nearest to this number and the two smallest number. How much? 54 3s are 162. So up, write down, 3 down, write down 162. Now take subtraction. Yes, 1 minus 2, how much, children? Can we? No. So borrow from this 0, borrow from here, 2 becomes 1, 0 becomes initially 10, after that it becomes 9. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Yes, it is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 39. 39 is the remainder. 121. Understood children? 201 minus 162, how much? 39. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 39. How much is the quotient children? 13. So 13 is the quotient. Remainder is 39. Therefore write down Q is equal to 13. Remainder is equal to 39. Note it down children? Yes. You can pause the video and you can note. Yes. Next, C problem. Children, tables you have to learn children. Be thorough with tables children. Everyone 2 table to 15 tables. Okay? Yes. Next, C problem. 3. 925 divided by 37. 3-digit number by 2-digit. Today we are going to learn about division of 3-digit number by 2-digit. So take long division, write in this way. Means what is it? Dividend 925 is the dividend. 37 is the divisor. Divisor is always less than the dividend. Yes. Now write down the 37 table. 37 ones are 37. 37 twos are 74. 37 threes are how much? 3 sevens are 21. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 2 11. 111. So first, how many digits I have to take into consideration, children? Yes. Can I take 9 here? No. 9 is smaller than 37. 37 will not divide 9. So take 2 numbers, 2 digits into consideration. Take 92. 92 is a bigger number. So 37 will divide 92. But how many times, children? Yes. 37 twos are 74. 37 threes are 111. We can't write here. So 37 twos are 74. Take nearest and smallest number. 37 twos are 74. Yes. 2 minus 4. Can we subtract, children? No. What we have to do? Yes. Borrow. 2 becomes 12. 9 becomes 8. 12 minus 4 how much? 8. And 8 minus 7 how much? Very good. 1. 37 will divide 18, children. Yes or no? Yes. 37 will not divide 18. So what we have to do? What is our next step? The next digit we have to bring down. So what is the next digit? 5. So bring down 5. Now it is 185. So now again write on the table. 37 fours how much? 37 fours are 7 fours are 28. 4 threes are 12, 13, 14, 148. 37 fives are 7 fives are 35. 5 threes are 15, 16, 17, 18, 185. Yes, 37 fives are 185. Directly we got that number. So 185 minus 185 is 0. So how much is the remainder, children? 0 is the remainder. What is the quotient? 25. So 25 is the quotient. Therefore, write down quotient how much? 25. Quotient is 25. Remainder is equal to 0. Have you understood, children? Yes. Note it down. Yeah, the next concept is division of a 4-digit number by 2-digit. Okay? Yes, the next concept is division of a 4-digit now by 2-digit. Now I am going to take 4-digit number by 2-digit number. Similar process, children? Yes. Next page number 131. Four point three. 4.3. A bit I am doing 2487 divided by 42. Okay, children? Yeah, 2487 divided by 42, 4-digit number by 2-digit number. The similar process, children. You take long division, means outside smaller number, inside is 2487. Yes, first what we have to do? Write down the 42 table. Yes, write down all of you in your notebook. 42 ones are 42. 42 twos are 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Again we have to take multiplication. 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 84. 42 twos are 84. Next 42 threes are 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are how much? 12. So 126. Next 42 fours are 4 twos are 8, 4 fours are 16, 168. Okay, we will see. First, how many digits I have to take into consideration? Can I take 1? No. 2? No. 3? Yes. 2 means 24. 42 will not divide 24 because 24 is a smaller number. 42 is a bigger number. Okay, 42 will not divide 24. So we have to take 3 numbers into consideration. Means 3 digits. 248. Write down the table. Yes. 42 5s are how much? 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 20. 210. Yes. 42 6s are how much? 6 2s are 12. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. 252. We have 248 there. Which number I have to take? Nearest and smallest number is 42 5s are 210. Yes, 42 5s are 210. Subtraction. 8 minus 0, 8. 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, nearest and smallest number only we have to write. Don't write 168, 126. Nearest number is 210. 252 we can't write. So we have to take 210 only. Yes, 8 minus 0 is 8, 4 minus 1 is 3. 38 is smaller number. So 42 will not divide 38. So what I have to do? Bring down 7, 387 now. Will you get 387? Yes, we will check. Write on the table. 42 7 jar. How much? 42 7 jar, yes. 7 2s are 14. 7 4s are 28 plus 1, 29, 294. Next 42 8s are 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 32 plus 1, 33. Next 42, here I am writing 42 9s, how much? 9 2s are 18, 9 4s are 36 plus 1, 37, 378. 42 10s are 420. So which number I have to take into consideration? Here 387 is there. How much should I take? What is the nearest and smallest number? Yes, 378 only I have to write. I can't write 420 because it is bigger number. So 42 9s are 378. Okay, nearest and smallest number. 387, nearest number is 378. Don't write 336. Okay? Yeah. Now take subtraction. 7 minus 8 can be? No. Borrow from 8. 7 becomes 17. 8 becomes 7. Now 17 minus 8, how much children? 9. 7 minus 7 is 0. 0 means 9 is the remainder. Quotient is 59. Therefore, quotient how much children? 59. Remainder how much children? 9. Note it down children, all of you. Yes. Quotient, remainder. This is divisor. This is a dividend. Bigger number is a dividend. Smaller number is the divisor. Quotient is 59. The answer in the multiplication, answer in the division is called quotient. The leftover number is called remainder. These are the terms. Note it down children. Yes. Next problem I want to take B1. Remaining problems you have to do in the classwork children. Okay? Yes. B problem I am doing. B problem. 8,916 divided by how much? 73. So take 73 table children. 73 is the divisor, right, outside. Inside write down 8,916. Always the bigger number is the dividend. Dividend write inside, divisor write outside. Okay, now write down the table 73 table. 73 ones are 73. 73 twos are how much? 2 threes are 6. 2 sevens are 14. 146. 73 threes are 3 threes are 9. 3 sevens are 21. Okay. 73 fours are 4 threes are 12. 7 fours are 28 plus 1 29. Yeah, okay, we will check. First, how many digits I have to take into consideration? Shall I take 1? No. 2? Yes, 89 we can take. Yeah, 73 ones are 73. Because 73 twos are 146. I can't write. 146 is greater than 89. So, one time only. 73 ones are 73. Now subtract. 9 minus 3, how much children? Very good. 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 minus 7, how much children? 1. 16. Now 73 will divide 16 children? No. Because 16 is smaller than 73. It can't divide. So what I have to do? Bring down the next number. What is next digit? 1. So bring down 1. Now it is 161. Will you get 161 in 73 table? No. What we have to do? We have to take the nearest and smallest number. How much? Can I write 219 here? 219 can I write here? No, it is bigger number. It is smaller number. We can't subtract. So don't write. So 146 can I write? Yes. So 146 is the nearest and smallest number. So how many times? 73 twos are 146. Okay? Have you understood children? Now take subtraction. 1 minus 6 can be? No, borrow. Yes. 6 becomes 5. 1 becomes 11 now. 11 minus 6 how much? 5. 5 minus 4 how much? 1. Yes. 15. Now divide 15. So what I have to do? Bring down the next number. How much? 6. 156. Will you get? Will you get? No. Right? It's nearest and smallest number. What is that? 73 twos are 146. So 73 twos are 146. Okay, 6 minus 6, how much children? 0. 6 minus 6 is 0 and 5 minus 4 is 1. So the remainder is 10. How much? Remainder is 10, which is smaller than 73. So 73 will not divide 10. Understood? What is the quotient? 122 is the quotient. Remainder is 10. Okay? Now write down quotient is equal to 122. Remainder is equal to 10. Okay children, have you understood? Note it down children. Yes. Shall I rub the board now? Yes. Yeah, next division fact of division fact for a given multiplication fact. Okay children, what is the division fact for a given multiplication fact? What is multiplication fact? Nothing but a tables only. For example, take 12. 12 twos are how much children? 24. This is the multiplication fact. Writing in this way is multiplication fact. Okay, this is a multiplication fact. 12 twos are 24. So, a multiplication fact has how many division facts? Very good. 2 division facts. What are those? How do you write? That is, the first one is division fact. So, 24 divided by 2 is equal to how much? 12. This is 1. The next division fact is division fact 2. Yes, 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. So, these are the 2 division facts. So, a multiplication fact has 2 division facts. Have you understood children? Yes. A multiplication fact has 2 division facts. Understood? Yes. Now, I want to take some examples on this children. Now, children tell me, 12 into dash is equal to 24. How do you get this missing term children? What we have to do? We have to take the division to get this answer. 24 divided by 12. 12 twos are 24. 0. So 2 is the missing number. Okay, to get that missing number we have to take division. So these are the division facts on multiplication facts. Now I want to take our textbook problem children. Have you understood the concept? A multiplication fact has 2 division facts. So, yes, these are the 2 division facts. Yes. Next problem. Note it down children. Yes. Yes. Next from page number 132, exercise number 4.4, second bit. What is that? Calculate and fill in the missing numbers. Calculate and fill in the missing numbers. From this A bit I am taking children. Yes, dash into 11 is equal to 858. Yes, what we have to do to fill this number? What we have to do? Yes. To fill this multiplication fact, we have to take division. Yes? Yeah. What is that division? 858 divided by 11. Okay? Take long division 11. 858 inside. 11 outside. 858 inside. Write down the 11 table, all of you. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, yes, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, yeah, 8. Now, how many digits I have to take into consideration? 8. 11 will not divide 8. 8 is smaller than 11. That is the reason 11 will not divide 8. So what I have to do, take 5 also into consideration. Now it is 85. In 11 table, do you get 85? No, 88. But I can't write 88 here. 88 is bigger number, 85 is smaller number. So what I have to do? I have to take nearest and smallest number. What is nearest and smallest number to the 88? 77. How many times? 11 sevens are. So up, write down 7. 11 into 7. 11 sevens are how much? 77. Down, write down 77. Okay? Now 5 minus 7 can be? No. Borrow from 8. 8 becomes 7. 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7 how much? 15. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8. Okay, 11 will not divide 8 now. Yes, what I have to do now? Bring down the next number, that is 8. 88. Yes. 11 8s are 88. So up, write down 8, down, write down 88. 11 8s are 88. 88 minus 88 is 0 is the remainder. 78 is the quotient. Okay. 78 is the quotient. 0 is the remainder. Quotient is equal to 78. Remainder is equal to 0. So now what is that missing number? Quotient 78. So write down the missing number. Have you understood, children? Please note it down. I want to take another example. Yes. Next, from your textbook, D bit I am doing. Remaining bits you have to do in your classwork, children. Okay, for each model I am explaining 2. Remaining you have to do in the classwork. You have so many problems, children. Please practice them. Better do in the classwork. Yes, next D bit I am doing. 49 into dash is equal to 7448. Yes, what we have to do? To fill this number, fill this missing number, we have to take division, because each multiplication fact has 2 division facts. I am taking one division here, that is 7448 divided by 49. Take this long division, you will get the answer. 7448. Yeah, first write down the 49 table here. Yes. 49 ones are 49. 49 twos are. 2 nines are 18. 2 fours are 8 plus 1, 98. Yes, 49 threes are. 3 nines are 27. 3 fours are 12, 13, 14, 147. Next, 49 fours are. 9 fours are 36. 4 fours are 16, 17, 18, 19, 196. 49 fives are. 5 nines are how much? 45. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Just to take the multiplication, you will get this answer. And now, children, tell me how many digits I have to take into consideration. Can I take 1? No. 7 is smaller than 49. So 49 will not divide 7. Take next number also into consideration, that is 74. Now 74 is bigger than 49. So 49 divides the 74. But how many times? Will you get exactly 74 in 49 table? No. Then write its nearest and smallest number, that is 49 ones are 49. 49 twos are 98. I cannot write here. One time. 49 ones are 49. Subtraction. 4 minus 9 can be? No, borrow. Then 4 becomes 14. 7 becomes 6. 14 minus 9 how much, children? 5. 6 minus 4 how much, children? 1. Will 49 divide 15, children? No. Why? Yes. 49 is bigger number. 15 is smaller numbers. Yeah. 6 minus 4 is 2. 14 minus 9 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 25. 49 will divide 25, children? No. So what we have to do? Because 25 is smaller number, 49 will not divide 25. So bring down the next number, that is 4. 254. Now write down the nearest smallest number to 254. Yeah, 49. 6 are how much? Write down 6. 6 9 jar 54, 6 4 jar 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 294 can I write here? No. So what is the nearest and smallest number? Yes. 49 5s are. So up, write down, 5 down, write down. 245. 4 minus 5 14. 5 becomes 4. 14 minus 5 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. What is the remainder, children? Completed? No. One more digit is there. We have to bring down this. This becomes 98 now. Yes, 98 I am writing here. 49 table, do you get 99? Yes. How many times? 2 times. So 49 2s are 98. Here there is no place. That is the reason I am writing here. 98 minus 98 is 0. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 152. So quotient is the answer. So 152.